So next I'm gonna just show you how we can do these entire things manually. So as you see in this automatic version, the AutoCAD prepare the drawing for us, but sometimes as you have couple of drawings or complicated drawings that you want to actually export part of that, or you want to make some modification onto that, how you can do that. I'm gonna just doing on the very that layout here, or you can create a new layout, but I'm just select everything and delete everything. So assume I have a blank layout here. There's nothing in there. And I want to show you how to do that. So again, before you start doing anything, the very first thing is that you go ahead and page setup. So go ahead on the page setup and modify it. Choose your printer, choose your paper size, and then make sure before you're doing anything, your paper size is set to what it should be. After you have that, you are going to click here to insert a view. Basically, it creates a viewport for you. So you click on that, and as soon as you click on that, it goes back to the model space and tells you select whatever you want to import. So what do you want to import? So assume I have other drawing and I only want to import this one. So I can go ahead and select that one, and as soon as I'm done with the selecting, press enter, and then it says where do you want to put it. So you can choose wherever you want to put it, and then select there, and it's gonna put your drawing in that location. So this is how you actually import. Now that you want, if you want to make some changes in it, is probably is gonna be a little bit different. So first of all, I click on that viewport and just bring it to this corner, so make it larger and bring it to this corner, and remember anything outside the dash line is not going to be plotted. So now remember when the AutoCAD automatically created, if I want to make any changes, I can go and double click on that and make any changes. But if I go ahead and double click on this new port that I created, it doesn't let me to do any changes on that. It just doesn't. You can try it, it doesn't let you to make any changes. The reason is that it is locked. When you insert a viewport, it's gonna lock that viewport, so it doesn't let you to make any changes on that. To unlock it, so you have to come here and click on the unlock. So you click on the unlock, and then it will say that select the viewport that you want to unlock. So you come here and select this viewport, and when you are done with selecting, just press enter, and then it's going to be unlocked. Now you see here it changed to the model space, and I can make any changes I want. So for example, again, I don't want to see the grid line, so I can come here and turn off the grid line, and then I can come here and zoom in and move it wherever I want. And then, for example, I want these to have another shade. For example, assume this one I want to have that, or let's have it that gray shade. So I can go ahead, click on that, and whenever I'm done, just double click outside that. So it's gonna create it for you. So you can manually go to the layout tab and use the insert view to choose whatever you want from your model view to actually bring it here. And when you bring it here, make sure you unlock it. And when you unlock it, you can go ahead and manually manipulate it and make any changes. Similar to what we have for also, if you double click on that, you will see again these two. So you can change the scale, or you can select this one to move it to any position that you want. And then when you're done, just click on the AutoCAD sign, either click on the export to the PDF, or you can print it, or whatever you want to do, that you can do it this way. So this is how you can do it, how you can create a layout manually.